It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: how to treat separation anxiety in your dog. Separation anxiety is a huge problem for pets. Pets with separation anxiety often show distress and behavioral problems when left alone. Ironically, it's one of the main reasons dogs end up in animal shelters. 1. Separation anxiety can manifest itself in the following ways: digging and scratching at doors or windows in an attempt to reunite with you. Destructive chewing. Howls, barks, complaining. Urinating and defecating, even in trained dogs. If most, or all, of the following behaviors are true for your dog, you may have a separation anxiety problem. The behavior primarily occurs when your dog is left alone, both for short and long periods, and usually begins shortly after you leave. Your dog follows you from room to room when you are at home. Your dog displays effusive and frenetic greeting behaviors. Your dog reacts with excitement, depression, or anxiety to your preparations to leave the house. 2. What triggers separation anxiety? Separation anxiety triggers can be when a pet that previously received constant human company is left alone for the first time. When there is a change in the family routine. Traumatic events that affect humans, such as the loss of a family member or another pet. Other events, such as a stay at a shelter or pound, or even a visit to the vet's office. 3. How to treat the problem. The goal is to resolve your puppy's underlying anxiety by teaching him not to fear, or at least tolerate, being left alone. The entire family must participate in the treatment because each family member must be on the same page. Remember, your dog is really panicking and is not spiteful or mean. Revenge is not in your pet's head. Treating separation anxiety can be very difficult and time-consuming. Here are some steps to help you. Consult your veterinarian. The first step is to discuss the situation with your veterinarian and have your pet undergo a complete physical examination. It is important to rule out any underlying physical problems that may be causing this behavior. Keep your dog company. Avoid leaving your dog alone at home. Use a doggy daycare, boarding school, or pet sitter. Leave your dog with a friend, family member, or neighbor when you are away. Take your dog to work with you, if possible. Offer him a special gift. Every time you leave the house, give him his favorite chew, treat, or toy. Be sure to remove these special toys as soon as you return home so that your dog only has access to them when he is alone. He will soon learn to associate your absence with something good. Spice up your dog's environment. Try leaving the radio or television on, as relaxing music or conversation can be very comforting for dogs. Some pets may feel less anxious with another animal in the house, so consider adopting another one. Increases playing time. Exercising your pet's mind and body can greatly enrich your life, decrease stress, and provide appropriate outlets. Additionally, a physically and mentally tired dog does not have much excess energy to expend when left alone. Take your dog outside for a long walk or play before you leave. Reinforces good behavior. Don't give much importance to your departure or arrival. As difficult as it may be when your pet asks for attention, ignore him for 15 minutes before you leave and after you get home. Not comforting your pet until he is calmed down will help reinforce good behavior and teach him that your comings and goings are no big deal. Get used to your goodbye behaviors. On the days you don't go to work, follow your usual routines as if you were going out, but don't leave the house. This will help your dog learn not to react to that behavior. Try jingling your keys but don't get up to leave. And when your dog stops reacting to this behavior, try jingling your keys and walking toward the door, but don't leave the house. Plan gradual exits. Don't try this on a workday but rather on a weekend. Pretend you're getting ready for work, follow your normal routine, and go outside for a few seconds. When your dog doesn't react, increase the time you're away to 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, etc. Work your way up to leaving your dog for longer periods of time, but do so very slowly. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.